Looking for a remote job at American Express? You're in the right place. Amex has significantly expanded its remote and hybrid work options. In early 2025, they announced that up to 50% of their U.S. workforce can work fully remotely, with hybrid options available for others. This video will show you exactly how to navigate their career portal to find those coveted work from home positions. We'll cover the key filters and search tools you need to use so you can find the perfect fit for your skills and experience. Get ready to discover how to join the Amex team from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive into the specifics of finding and applying for remote jobs at Amex. First, head to americanexpress.com/careers and use the advanced filters. Look for remote under location or specify remote US for nationwide opportunities. Also, filter by job category like technology, customer service, or data analytics, and use keywords like work from home. Remote roles typically require 2 to 5 years of relevant experience and specific skills in tools like Salesforce or Excel. Amex values strong communication and self-management skills for remote positions. When applying, create a profile, upload an ATS-optimized resume, and prepare for behavioral interviews focused on Amex's values. Be ready to confirm your equipment setup and time zone compatibility. By mastering these steps, you'll be well equipped to land your dream remote job at American Express.